Hello and welcome to day 96 of Bedtime Welsh after another little gap. And some more practicing of older things today. So in the last session we were doing Pam for why, and we've previously taught you how to say pryd for when. So can you give me I know when?
Dwi'n gwybod pryd.
Dwi'n gwybod pryd. Great. How about I know when you want to go?
Dwi'n gwybod pryd wyt ti isio mynd.
Dwi'n gwybod pryd wyt ti isio mynd. Excellent. Now how about I know why?
Dwi'n gwybod pam.
Dwi'n gwybod pam. Then I know why you want to learn.
Dwi'n gwybod pam wyt ti isio dysgu.
Dwi'n gwybod pam wyt ti isio dysgu. And then finally for today, how about why do you want to learn more words? Can you remember that one? Why do you want to learn more words?
Pam wyt ti isio dysgu mwy o eiriau?
Pam wyt ti isio dysgu mwy o eiriau? And if you remembered that first time without having had any prompts, well, that's absolutely brilliant. If you haven't, don't worry. It's back in your mind now. It'll be a little bit easier next time. Okay, we'll try and have some more stuff for you tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Until then, hwyl am y tro.
Ta!
Ta-da!